Welcome to Standard Capital Securities. In this video, we are going to talk about a major IPO coming up in Pakistan. So, let's begin. The company Avanceon has been a successful digital transformation provider in Pakistan, having an average EPS of Rs 3 to 4. Since its inception, the company is delivering quality services to clients, which in return, adds significant brand value to the company. Avanceon has multiple projects, not just in Pakistan, but across the globe, especially in European countries. Avanceon exclusively took the initiative to bring the 4.0 industrial revolution to Pakistan. Artificial intelligence is greatly influencing industrialization around the world, and being a 360-degree digital transformation provider, Avanceon is expanding its operations to provide AI services through its wholly owned subsidiary, namely Octopus Digital Ltd. Octopus Digital is currently providing AMS services, which accounts for 71% of total Avanceon's revenue, and the new business plan, which is digital transformation through AI, will bring additional revenue to the company. In the last 3 years, since Octopus Digital's existence, company provided healthy results, having average EPS of Rs 2 per share. The company's plan to develop various digital dashboard platforms for AI-based services will require a total fund of Rs 793 million. Therefore, to raise such an amount, Avanceon is listing its wholly owned subsidiary, Octopus Digital, by giving its stake of 20% to the general public. On the 6th of August, Avanceon announced the IPO of Octopus Digital Ltd to take place on the 9th and 10th of September 2021, in which the company is offering 27.35 million shares, out of which 20.5 million shares are for book building, and 6.83 million shares are for the general public, at a floor price of 29 per share, having a maximum price band of up to 40% above floor price, to Rs 40.6 per share. Backing on the attractive business model and consistent stream of revenue, we recommend our investors to take part in the IPO at a cap price of Rs 40.6 per share. For more information, you can check out the detailed report published by our research team. Thank you for watching. To participate in the IPO, contact 0321 829 6919 before 9th of September.